Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add a link to Instagram thread profile. So in order to add a link to Instagram thread profile, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go ahead and log in into your Threads account and make sure that you're logged into your account. When you're logged in, go ahead and press the profile icon from bottom right hand side corner and then go to edit a profile. So right on this page, you could either go ahead and add a link itself, or you could go ahead and type in on the bio, whichever is convenient for you. So I'm going to go ahead and press the link, and here you could go ahead and tap on import link from Instagram if you wish to do it so, or else if you wish to go ahead and manually type in the link, you can do that as well. And then tap the tick icon located right on top and a link will be saved. So that's basically how you can add a link to Instagram thread profile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.